We are a full service sheet metal fabrication centre. We supply blue chip companies, we supply local companies, we supply sole traders. Within the Constant Group, the customer is at the heart of everything that we do. We tend to term ourselves not as a subcontractor but as a partner to aid within growth and redesign and redevelopment of people's products. When I walk around the building, the first thing that strikes me is how busy the building is, how busy everybody is, how well organised it is. There's never a dull moment, there's never a dead spot in manufacturing. We supply everything from telecommunications through to medical, through to air conditioning clients. Within the Constant Group, we have 2 state-of-the-art punch machines. These are fully automated. These can run with lights out operation. We also have a state-of-the-art laser machine. Again, this has full automation that can run with lights out manufacture and gives incredible tolerances. We can offer MIG, TIG, pulse MIG and capacity discharge welding. We have dedicated project managers. We can work from ongoing 12-month rolling contracts right the way down to small one-off projects. Within the Constant Group, we have the capabilities to undertake simple single projects from one door sign right the way through to the production and scheduling and rollout of tens of thousands of retail display kiosks. Just in the last month alone, I've managed to see our products out on the road. There's nothing better than seeing a tough box on the back of a van. There's nothing better than walking the dog and finding some of our telecommunication cabinets on the side of the road, right through to seeing our fire door keep shut signs in most offices on most doors.